Today's video is about driving fails, mistakes, how to not drive, and bad drivers. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. I was on my way to work, and I must have been in this person's blind spot. They didn't see me.
스티커 때문에 디스트랙트.
못 가네.
못 가네. 오, 저 차 봤어? 진짜 대단하다.
우리 앞에 있던.
I had earlier witnessed this guy swerving in and out of traffic to get just a few cars ahead. And after he cut me off, he then jumped back into the non-commute lane 20 cars further on to avoid a ticket. I was slowing for traffic and had my eye on him, but even then it felt way too close for comfort. Tesla in a hurry, but is skipping the line worth of the drama. Witness the instant karma unfold, as one driver tries to cut the queue and learns a hilarious or frustrating, depending on your perspective, lesson. Buckle up for some honking hand gestures and maybe even a little justice served. Happened in Indianapolis on the east side. I realized this guy was trying to make room for the turning bus, but the first rule of backing up is don't, unless you can see what is behind you. I'm lucky my Fred Flintstone reverse feet worked fast enough.
注意经过上陡坡路段。
哎呦，哎呦，哎呦，哎呦，哎呦，哎，这，哎， 哎呦，哎呀，真难瞧的个，刹车刹不住了嘛咋？哎呀，
哎我操！哎呦，我操！这时候看。
A pickup in the center lane decides to stop and cut over to the left turn lane. A sign states the left lane ends, yet this bus driver was determined to beat the other traffic. He ran me off the edge of the road and was off his edge of the road. When watching my rear camera, I see the bus was in the left lane for about 2 miles. This video has been sent to the school. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.